Here we're going to discuss 3 easy ways to make 100 bucks. So if you're in a jam, if you're in a pinch, you need a quick 100 bucks, think about these 3 ways. You'll probably get your $100. First way is to sell something. I guarantee we all got some things sitting around that we could sell and make 100 bucks for. It might be multiple items, and it's probably stuff you didn't even realize you still had and you don't use it, you hadn't used it in years. If that pertains to you, if you got something that you don't have any use for, consider selling it, whether it's on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, if it's closed. Round up enough stuff that you could get to that $100 mark. I know right now I got like a countertop that I could probably get some money for, an old TV, a still flat screen TV, that I could probably get some money for, some audio recording equipment. I remember a few years ago, I was looking in my closet and I had this old piece of audio recording equipment, sold it for 200 bucks on eBay. There we go, sitting in my closet. So sell something. If you got some things to sell, physical goods that's sitting around your house, that's one way that you could potentially make easily $100. The next way is your skills. Your skills, we all have skills. Right now, we probably have some skills that somebody could pay us 100 bucks for. Again, maybe not one time you get paid 100 bucks, but maybe over time a few times, or for multiple people, you can make yourself 100 bucks, whether it's mowing the lawn, doing somebody's landscaping, providing cooking services for somebody, program somebody's computer, showing them how to set up their social media, you name it. You're probably good at something already that you can get paid 100 bucks for. All you need, depends on how much you charge them. You probably only need a handful of clients, if that. Depends on the service. So think about your skills that you got, and don't be afraid to charge for your services, and because you're good at it. You're knowledgeable, you got some experience in it, you're skilled, and say, hey, I'm willing to do this for you. Whatever it is that you're already good at, think about what skills you have, and that's an easy way to make 100 bucks because you don't have to learn a new skill, you already got these skills. And of course, in a future video, we'll talk about acquiring some of those best paying skills, but for now, if you need money ASAP, think about the skills that you already have, the knowledge and experience you already have, and how to put those skills to use. And number 3, create something or build something. Now, when I list these, I do it in preference of the easiest to potentially the hardest and most time consuming. So think about it. You already got the products and stuff sitting around your house. That don't take any skill to acquire that. You already got it, right? So all you got to do is post it, promote it, sell it, those products that you already have, that stuff you already have. Then skills, that's the next level because you have to have skills and hopefully you have a few that you can monetize. But here, number 3, again, is create or build things. That takes skills to be able to do that, and it takes time. So whether that's digital products, creating courses, creating cabinets, or dressers or some kind of woodworking thing, creating some kind of baked goods that you sell, creating websites. If you can create something, if you can build something, you can sell it and you can make 100 bucks for it. I knew somebody that made coasters, really cool, creative coasters to set your drinks on. If you sell enough of those, a set of those, and personalize them, you can get you 100 bucks. So think about, if you like to build things, if you're creative, how can you use that creativity and that craftsmanship to make 100 bucks? All it takes is a few people to buy what you're selling, what you created, and what you have built. So if you're looking for 3 easy ways, and I know this isn't specific, they're categories because we each have our own talents and the things that we can add to this world. But under the umbrella of selling things you already have, using your skills that you already got, and creating and building things as a result of those skills and that knowledge that you have, you can find a way to make $100 fairly easily. You just have to have confidence in yourself and your abilities, and don't be afraid to take a risk. Don't be afraid to upload those things that you're selling on eBay or Facebook, or tell people that you're offering guitar lessons now or piano lessons, and go out there and get some clients. Or don't be afraid to show off your creativity and what you make and what you build. That takes a certain level of courage as well. So those are the 3 easy ways that you can make $100 today. Sell some stuff, showcase your skills and monetize your skills, and build something, create something, and get paid for that. So be thinking about those 3 categories and how you fit into that, and how you can apply yourself to each one of those categories, or at least one of those categories. So if you sold something for 20, 30 bucks, if you gave somebody a piano lesson for $20 or $30 an hour, and if you sold something that you created, like a PDF download of your piano lessons or your exercise program, there we go. We come close to getting $100.